Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Highlander cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all its contents. This provides clear access and prevents items from falling out later. You generally won't need any special tools, just your hands and the new filter. Always confirm your replacement filter is the correct type for your specific Highlander model. Next, locate the dampener arm on the right side of the glove box and gently pull it off its mounting peg. Then, firmly push in on both sides of the glove box to release the plastic stops, allowing it to swing down completely. This reveals the filter housing. Unclip the two retaining clips on the filter access cover and pull it straight off to expose the dirty filter. Before removing the old filter, observe the airflow direction arrow. It typically points downward. Gently slide the old filter straight out of its slot. Now, take your new filter. If it has an airflow arrow, ensure it points downward towards the floor. If it has an up arrow, that indicates the top of the filter, not airflow. Slide the new filter into the tray until it's fully seated. To finish, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the clip snaps securely. Then, align the glove box hinges and push the sides in to re-engage the stops. Finally, reattach the dampener arm. Regularly replacing your cabin air filter, perhaps once a year, significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and helps your HVAC system run efficiently. For more great deals and the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.